Wow, the birds are attacking again. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. I know the birds are attacking again. You gotta go protect the house. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, Mishka, hold on. I understand, I know. They're attacking our house. I know, Mishka. You gotta go protect it. Go protect our house, Mishka. Get all them birds. That's right. Freaking birds. Yeah. Threaten our house. There you go. Exactly. Easy. That's right. Freaking birds. Attacking our house. Threatening our family. Get them out of here. That's right, Mishka. Protect us. Protect this house. You are the protector. Uh-huh. Exactly. Where's that bird? Somewhere on the tree? Freaking birds. How dare you? Alright, Mishka, let's call them out of here. You keep protecting the house, Mishka. Good job. You're doing a great job, Mishka.